Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to wrap text in Davinci Resolve. This is a really useful feature when you need your text to fit neatly within a specific area of your video, especially for captions or stylized titles that need to conform to a particular shape or space. First, open your Davinci Resolve application and let it load up completely. Once you're in, look down at the bottom of your screen where you'll see several tabs. Click on the one labeled Edit. This takes you into the editing workspace where you'll have access to all the tools needed for adding and customizing text elements in your project. Now shift your attention to the top left corner of the screen and click on Effects. This opens up the Effects library, which contains a wide range of visual elements you can add to your timeline. From here, click on Titles to view all the available text options. You'll see several choices, but for this tutorial, we need Text Plus. Go ahead and drag Text Plus onto your timeline where you want the text to appear. Once you've placed it on the timeline, click on the Text Plus element to select it. Now look to the top right of your screen where you'll find the Inspector panel. Click on Inspector to open it up. This is your control center for customizing everything about your text, from the content itself to how it behaves and looks on screen. In the Inspector panel, you'll see a text field where you can input your desired text, type in whatever message or caption you want to display. This is the actual content that will appear in your video, so make sure it's exactly what you need before moving forward. After entering your text, locate and click on the Layout tab within the Inspector. This section controls how your text is structured and positioned. Here's where the wrapping magic happens. Look for an option labeled Type, which will have a drop-down menu next to it. Click on that drop-down menu and select Text Box. This changes your text from a single line into a contained box format. Right below that, you'll see a checkbox labeled Wrap to Text Box. Go ahead and check that checkbox. This tells Davinci Resolve to automatically wrap your text within the boundaries of the text box you're about to create, rather than letting it run off in one continuous line. Now on the left side of your preview screen, you'll notice a small arrow pointing down. Click on that arrow and from the options that appear, select Fusion Overlay. This activates an overlay on your preview screen that allows you to see and interact with the text box boundaries directly. With the Fusion Overlay active, you can now click and drag the corners or edges of the text box in your preview screen. As you adjust the size and shape of this box, you'll see your text automatically wrapping and reformatting itself to fit within those boundaries. This gives you complete control over how your text flows and breaks within your video frame. And that's it. You've successfully set up text wrapping in Davinci Resolve. Now your text will neatly conform to whatever space you define, making your videos look more polished and professional. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.